My name is Rose Flowers. Rose T. Flowers. Can anyone guess what the T stands for? It stands for tulip. Rose Tulip Flowers. Don't you think that with a name like that, I should have been a gardener? Or a florist? But I preferred teaching. Why do I prefer teaching? Because I like classrooms. I like chalk. I like blackboards. I like children. I like books, and I want to share them with you. I'm going to tell you a lot of things. And one of the things I hope you will learn is that Stamps is just one place in Arkansas. And Arkansas is one place in the United States. And the United States is one place in the North American continent. And the North American continent is just one place in the world. Marguerite, would you come here a minute, please?
I'll meet you out front.
Sit down. Did you write this?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a lovely poem.
Thank you.
Do you like to write poems?
Yes, my brother and me. My brother is Billy Johnson. We have readings at supper for my grandmother and my uncle. We're supposed to pick things to read. Well, anyway, Bill and me started to write out things to read. So I said I'll write some, and that's what I did.
You have a precious talent, Marguerite. Don't compromise it. Don't compromise yourself. You are what you are, and what you are is damn good.